We are starting with the chapter location and time. This is a chapter of standard 7 social science, that is location and time. So what is vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? If you know, then there are vertical and horizontal lines on the globe, right? Actually, this is not a very straight one, right? This one is straight, that is equator, then Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and North Pole and South Pole. You all have learned all this thing in your previous standard. If I tell you about a longitude, longitude is like this way, right? So, first of all, how many latitude are there and how many longitudes are there? Latitude are this one, these lines. It is 0 degree, it is called as equator. Now above there are up to 90 latitudes. It is 90° north. Below it is 90° south. So these are the various latitudes. Out of that, some latitude have got the name, that is 22 and half north, 66 and half north, 22 and half south, 66 and half south, 90° south, and 90° north. 22 and half, 66 and half, and 90°. Okay, this is called as Tropic of Cancer. This is called as Arctic Circle. This is called as North Pole, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, North Pole. Longitudes are these lines, right? They are 120 on one side itself. We are over here going to learn mainly about how we can locate ourselves on the earth. How does Google identifies that we are on these place? What they see? What they see is, if I tell you that I am at 20° north and 35° east longitude. So what I'll do, I'll take 20° north latitude and 35° longitude. Whatever the intersection point is my location. Okay, so this is how they find that where we are. So let us read now. First of all, the imaginary lines is there. These are imaginary lines. It is not drawn on earth. Okay, it is not really drawn. Horizontal is latitude, vertical is longitude. Now you can also draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles. Okay, so what do you mean by latitude? That is equator to north pole, equator to south pole. Lines of latitude run east-west at circle parallel to equator, right? How does a line of latitude run east to west, right? That is, it goes from like this way, east to west. You can draw a circle and mark a line of altitude with the help of map, mention the value of country, and draw latitude at 23° south, north and south, and write the name of countries which it pass. Okay, you can take a map, okay, or you can take a globe, you can see, then you itself see that you set any of the latitude and longitude and then say which place is over here, which latitude and longitude is places over there, that you have to do it. So equator is middle line, that is 0° latitude. It divides the north pole and south pole. In north pole there are 180°, south pole also there is 180°. So what you have to do, you have to take a sky, you have to take a there is one bright star in the earth, that is pole star. We can see pole star in the north direction every day. You have to take a big telescope, make a hole in the center, right? You have to tie a thread and then hang it to a nail. Okay, now like this way, like this way. Now you have to take a place from where you can see a night sky clearly, right? You have to see the night sky. You should see clearly Take that point, go to terrace and observe the north. Observe the north star. Okay. Now you can observe it. When you observe it from different countries, you will get a different latitudes. You will get a different things. Okay. Now latitude and longitude are that much. Now what are major longitudes? We know major latitudes very well. What are major longitudes? Major longitudes are two: prime meridian and international date line. As I have told you, prime meridian passes through the Greenwich in England. It divides vertically into two parts. This is prime meridian, right? If this is prime meridian, it converted into two equal parts, eastern and western hemisphere. It passes through the Greenwind, so it is called as Greenwich. So it is called as Greenwich line also. Next, international date line. What is international date line? See, there is only one 180 degree latitude. खाली 180 degree वाला एक જ latitude होय. That is called as international date line. Now see, if I cross 180, then I will get 0 again. So once my degree increases from 180, it will be again I have to make a thing to pass it down, right? In international dateline passes through Pacific Ocean and separate the two calendar dates. As I have told you, on one side there is one other date, second side there is a other date. Why? Because it is international date line. You can see the international date line over here. It has been shown to you, right? So what you have to do, you have to take a map. If you have atlas, take that. Okay, then see where is Egypt. See, in your map of your map book, you will have a latitude and longitude itself. So find the Egypt and then do it, right? How you have to do it? For example, if you find one country like this way, you have to take one over here, right? So it is one point x and y, another point over here, so another point y, x and y. There are two different points x and y. It means your country starts at this and at this. Okay, so these are the things, that is 68 degrees to the 97 degree west. They have given two, right? Now you know sun is the biggest celestial object. It is denoted by position of sun, that what it will be, a day or a night. One longitude takes 4 minutes to travel. One longitude takes only 4 minutes, right? In different part of world it may vary. It is not okay. The country में આવી જ વસ્તુ હોય. Okay. Now what is local time? Local time means everybody should agree, right? Second thing, there is a 4 minute difference with 1 degree longitude. When the longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 a.m. in all the, according to all the longitudes, right? The location located, the places located on the same longitude have same line and different longitudes. Let's line same હોય પણ longitude કેવા થઈ જાય, different થઈ જાય. So in our country, what happens is three local time different in different places are based. હવે આ ત્રણેયમાંથી જણા એક same experiment બે કે ત્રણ વાર કરે ત્યારે they get a good result if there is any error. So how can the situation work, right? So what happens, standard time means the local time which is situated in middle of the country, right? That is standard time of India. It passes through Allahabad. Okay, you have to write the name of cities, and then you have to tell that it is ahead or a behind, right? Behind the other country or ahead the other country, right? uh, See, what you have to do, you have to take a standard time of different countries, and then with the help of globe you have to divide, you have to find out what is their position and what is their path. Okay, so this is the chapter. If you have any query, write it down.